Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. Today is Sunday, October 6th, 2024, a day when we celebrate water for its constant impact on human life. Also known as Orie market in Igbo land, it's a day filled with bright expectations and abundant life. You are highly blessed and empowered to enjoy the good things on earth with a happy life supplied by the wind, water and sand that love you beyond human recognition. Humans are highly welcomed on earth by the wind, water and sand that are constantly sustaining us and securing us from the blacklist afterlife via the instructions our Creator Chukwu Okike Abiama instructed them to do. Be happy with your life and extend kindness to your fellow humans to enjoy the betterment and benefit of our Creator here and after. These elements welcome us on earth, constantly sustaining and securing us. They follow the instructions of our Creator Chukwu Okike Abiama to ensure our well-being. By the divine instructions of Chukwu Okike Abiama, the owner of all human deeds, we are here safe and happy. We witness his creation and enjoy the eatable things and good feelings from the wind, water and sand. These elements monitor all activities on earth without a single mistake. Feel the love of the wind. Breathe deeply and let it fill your lungs with life. The wind whispers secrets of the universe and carries messages of hope and renewal. Feel the love of water. It flows, it nurtures, it cleanses. When you drink, bathe, or simply gaze at water, remember it's a gift from the divine. Water is life itself, constantly moving and evolving just as we are. Feel the love of sand. Ground yourself, connect with the earth. The sand beneath your feet is a reminder that you are part of something greater. It symbolizes stability and the passage of time, anchoring us in the present moment. Be happy with your life. Extend kindness to your fellow humans. In doing so, you enjoy the betterment and benefit of our Creator here and after. From Obi Nnukwu Chineke, also known as wind, water and sand, the blessed of the universe, Orie Nnukwu Chineke, the messenger of the truth afterlife. Remember, you are never alone. The elements are always with you, guiding and protecting you. Embrace them and embrace life with open arms. Stay blessed, and may the wind, water and sand continue to nurture your journey. Thank you for listening.